Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some excellent fuel efficiency. And this one comes with some nice upgrades installed right here at Prince George Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit, sitting on some 20-inch XD Series rims with some 35-inch TOYO all-terrain open country tires. And then you do have pocket-style fender flares with bulletproof Mudflaps on the front and rear tires. And then you do also have running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in. And then looking at one of the newer features of the truck, which is the tailgate going down, which is always nice. And then you have the new rugged tailgate, which has this hard plastic, measurements on it, holes for your clamps. You've got 400-watt power outlet right there, and then the tailgate goes right back up. And then first looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior, and in the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as 2 more right in the middle here, with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. Seats which can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. Oops. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You also have power telescoping and folding towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here. Fully digital cluster too, which is always nice. You can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, eco behavior, auto start stop, driver assistance features, and fuel economy. And then you can exit out of that and go to your truck info, such as driver assistance, seat belts, tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, and engine information. And then you can look at your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and distance pacing technology. You also have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. You have your favorite screen, much like My View. You can put any of those subcategories there for ease of access. Whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your front camera view with the 360, your active park assist, your hazards, traction control shut off, and you have a premium B&O audio system in this vehicle. So your music is going to sound pretty decent. But then moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector for, it's going to yell at me, you have normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and then on the opposite end you have tow haul, and it's going to try to shift. You have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. But then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this button up here to open the compartment above your glove box for more storage. Then you have this compartment down here with a USB and USB-C inside. And moving on, you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and it can also be collapsed for more space here. So I was saying 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest here with a removable tray and a ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck with some nice upgrades installed, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.